Hello, welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the KV-2 tank model kit available at miniaturetanks.com. So here's this piece, these pieces, that piece. This piece requires the sprue cut, that piece can be set over there. These are like the bins, storage bins and stuff. There we go. Awesome. The last bit of cutting away process is this. Carefully take and cut away this support plastic material. And now let's go to the front, and you want to cut away this plastic from underneath the gun as well. And then these two support plastics too. There you go. Alright, there we go. So that's the cutting away process for this model kit. So now let's take all these pieces and glue them together. Let's do the main whole part of the tank. So you can see it's easy to see where these light up, so they don't go like that, like that. So just take some glue, just put a little line of glue, and then simply take and line it up. Fairly simple and easy to figure out. Just put it lining up like that. Some kits are more advanced. This one, pretty easy. Put some glue on the other side as well. And essentially line that up to that side. There you go. One thing we missed is this piece, but that's fine. We didn't technically miss it. It was just like that. So you can glue that on there. Just keep in mind that this piece should be glued like that. So just put some glue there and some glue there, and then let's put that piece down. There you have it. There's the body of this tank. Well, that glue is kind of drying. Now we can put this turret together. Of course, you can take sand down some of the sprue marks, such if you wish. But to make it quick for this video, I'll just go ahead and not sand it completely. Let's just put this piece on here. No? So you can see how that lines up. And then there's the turret with KV-2. So actually in this current condition, the KV-2 is done, but let's go ahead and put some stowage packs on. So for my stowage crates, we're done with the glue actually. For my stowage crates, I'm gonna just put them there. Yeah, so the stowage crate's pretty much optional the way you want, but there it is, the KV-2 from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.